Welcome to Digital Grads, the first stop for entry-level job hunters looking to start a career in the tech industry. In these videos, we'll be introducing you to our various training courses that are designed to help you prepare for your next step in life and make confident career decisions. Are you ready? Let's go. This course is about software development, an introduction to a world of making software to sell and helping you decide if that's the path you want to follow for your career. This course consists of 3 modules and quizzes throughout. This course is unique for digital grads as a lot of the lessons were created based on interviews from professionals in the industry, those being John Cleary of Cray Tech and Mike Mulkeen of Method B Limited. Thanks guys! The first modules act as a basic introduction to the software development world, including a quick history of it and a reminder of old tech, like floppy disks. Yes, believe it or not, there was a time where you could fit an entire computer's memory onto one of these things. Those were the days. Ways in which you can get a job in software development and the digital skills gap, which is something that can't just be fixed with digital skills Ronseal. The 8 skills junior software developers need, what to expect at this new job, and the awards, compensation and career progression that you can expect. The second module goes further into detail on the elements within software development work, such as the 6 things every junior developer should know, the modern development process, which is very important, the various languages and framework of the industry. Software language is a very hard language to learn, and is just as nerdy as learning how to speak Klingon. The main tools needed to be a software developer, physical, digital and mental, and detailing the job itself and a typical day in the life of being a software developer. Finally, the last module goes into detail how to get a job in the software development world. This includes applying for roles, interview advice, both of which you can test yourself further on with our individual courses based around these topics, and how to get enough coding experience and other extra things that you can do to build up your profile as a software developer. Of course, there are quizzes dotted throughout the course testing you on what you have learned, and as usual on Digital Grads, your score will be displayed on your profile for future employers to see, though you can take the quiz again 2 more times to get the best score that you can. Of course, Digital Grads provides much more than chances to be a software developer, and to see what those chances are, visit academy.digitalgrads.com on Google to find out more.